Hi, my name's Fiona Flowerday. I'm a director at Flowerday Homes. We are based in Mount Maunganui, Bay of Plenty, and we build homes for families throughout the Bay of Plenty. Sustainability is a big one for us. We've been involved in circular construction in Tauranga, which is a focus group of people in the industry looking at ways we can increase sustainability in the construction industry. So that was a starting point, but also with the cost of power going up, inflation, everyone feeling a bit of a pinch, looking at ways we can help our customers save money in the long run and be more sustainable. We're all on board with that.
Hi, my name's Paul Carroll. I'm a residential quantity surveyor here at Flowerday Homes. To answer the question about the first 10 homes that we added solar panels, that was client driven, and the client viewed it as added value to their rental returns. The rollout for our first 10 homes certainly put us under pressure from the get-go. The client made an 11th hour decision to add solar panels. The frames were up, and in some cases the roof was already on, but Future Energy turned around 10 quotes for us overnight, so we were able to process the variation and have decisions made very quickly, so we didn't affect the build schedule at all.
Yeah, we handed the first 2 of those 10 yesterday, or maybe the day before yesterday, and I've heard that the handover went really amazingly well. There were no snag items on the house. The client was super happy, everything, the solar panels and everything else went really, really well, so everyone happy, great result.
I see solar and these energy efficient appliances being a no-brainer. The cost of solar and the heat pump hot water cylinders is coming down while electricity is going up. So if you want to future-proof yourself, it makes common sense.